people, I want to do shit to her, and people is threatening Adam dirty woman. Lady, me no know you. Do not call my fucking phone. Don't call me name on the fucking media. I don't know you. I do not know you. Go and drink some bleach. I hate you. From the bottom of my heart to my body hole to my pussy. I do not like you. I don't like you, so don't call my name. I don't know you. I don't like you. Do not call my name. Do not call my name. Do not call my name. Do not call me.
What me want to know? So I'm free after me, you give me money now. How that come across?
I don't know how me give you money. I saw me rich.
That's what I don't know who not talk about already. I don't know who give you money. I don't know where you talk about. You need to text me and say, yo, bro, because I did the on your live and I tell you, say, yo, I did the on your live and same time I come on your live and say, yo, I go over your live and I say, yo, go on, man.
Yeah.
Say, I go over there.
Yeah.
That's why I don't know else. She has a bag of things to me, I hit, man, and this and that.
You should have said pussy a clap, man. And that you should have said you stinking pussy. You should have run her off your blood clot phone. And that you should have run her. The woman is a mad woman. You should have run off the mad blood clot. Dementia blood clot. Woman off your blood clot. Yeah, yeah, the dirty woman.
I'm coming into Birmingham.
Who's coming into Birmingham?
Hey, I'm coming over back.
Oh, you're coming back to England?
Yeah, in a Monday weekend of funeral, so I come back by Tuesday, Wednesday, me and I stay back.
Okay. Okay. You saw the woman don't even know who she... Okay. Okay. Which part of Jamaica you there? Which part of Jamaica you there?
St.
Oh yeah, St. Anne's.
Yeah.
Oh, so you come back on Monday. Don't listen, that woman is a mad woman. Don't listen to the woman. Everybody want to do this and everybody want to do that. The woman is a liar. Don't listen to the woman. You should have run her off your phone. Black her asshole. Black her asshole. The woman is a destruction and property. Me hate the woman you say, for she go look out for her ugly blood clot mother with the next to her. Her ugly mother with hate her blood clot, and that she forgot look off her. But people want to do this and people want to do that, and people send her. Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Alright. I'm going to finish doing my dose. Yeah, come later.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Me I go call you.
Come here if you make me know.
Yeah. I'm going to tell you, and if run her out to your blood clot inbox, fam. Yeah, run her out to your inbox, yeah? You can't hear me? Run her out to your inbox. Run her out. Yes, I am. Yeah, I'm going to call you on WhatsApp, babes.
Alright.
Alright then. Keep strong.
Alright, you.
Bye, baby. Dirty woman, don't call me name. Do not call me name, dirty woman. Dirty woman, we live in England. Do not call me name. Nobody know you. I don't know you from Adam. Do not call my name. Don't put your frustration on me. Do not call my name on social media. Say people want to do this. I don't know you from Adam. And what I'm going to do, do not call my name. What I'm going to do. I'm never going to say what I'm going to do. Do not call my name. Do not call my name. Do not call my name. And I'm going to report you for defamation of character. Do not call my name on social media. I don't know you. I do not know you. Anglia can go. Anglia business with the people them. I do not know you, wicked woman, dirty woman. Why you call the boy and I call the boy about people want to do this? Everybody want to do this to you, innit? Eh? I don't know you, sir. Well, I don't know you. Remember, I don't know you, dirty woman. Go and clean your mother shit. Your mother shit up herself in the same fucking yard with you at. Dirty woman, don't call my fucking name, dirty woman. Dirty woman, do not call my name. Everybody want to do this to you. Everybody want to do that to you. Dirty woman, I call my fucking name. I don't know you. Dirty woman, I make up no story for me, dirty woman, I don't know you. Stop going at the people them inbox and I tell people say, oh, me send money at Jamaica. Dirty woman, you're broke and fucking hungry. Dirty woman, do not call my name, I do not know you. I don't know you, I don't like you. I do not like you. I told you I don't know you. I don't know you, I don't like you, dirty woman. Dirty woman, the man called me back and tell me, dirty woman. Do not call my name. Dirty woman, do not call my name. Sister, me I call you dirty woman, come in know you. I don't know you. I don't like you. Your crosses. You think you can diss up my blood clot, mother? I'ma take it lightly. You think me a blood clot, Susie? You can diss up my blood clot family. I'ma take it lightly. I'ma talk to you. Are you fucking for real? Don't tell no lie on me. Me ain't never in a blood clot WhatsApp group yet. Dirty woman. Dirty woman, don't tell no lie on me. Dirty woman, go have a life. Nobody want to hear your sad story. Your story is sad. Go and look for your daughter who in a prison. Son get 130 years. That you need to tell the people them. And your husband get 135 years. That you need to tell the people them. And you don't live nowhere. That you need to tell the people them. I live fucking somewhere. Dirty woman. Dirty woman. Do not call my name. Dirty woman. Do not call my name. I don't know you. Stop telling lies. Stop making your fucking story. Stop making up your sad story. No one cares about you. That's all you do. You make up your sad story and beg like you're blind on social media. You're blind as bat. Dirt, I don't know you. Me, you never talk yet. Dirty woman. Take your name out my fucking mouth. Dirty woman. Dirty woman. Sad woman. You sad as fuck. Dirty woman, you sad as fuck. Dirty hungry belly woman. Tell the people them say, I did a blood clot prison. When they call lick off your blood clot door. Dirty woman, y'all walking and tell people, say people want to do this to you, people want to do that. And the boy fucking called me on Instagram. And yeah, voice not the boy about people, I want to do this, I send money. Which one to me blood clot send money? I know the boy the man fuck, take your money and fucking run left your blood clot. Your man, the man till the man run left. That mother way say your mother piss up herself in the blood clot bed. Dirty woman, don't call me name. You're sad. Your life is sad. Nobody listen to your story. Your story is boring. Your story not make no weight. Your story is a dead weight. Nobody listen to your story. You're a storyteller. Fret over the man where the man take your money and run. You Candy, if I you the panel, I want to say yes, add blood clot this Candy and send it to your blumber clot friend. Type quick Candy. Me call back the blood clot boy. Dirty woman. Candy type quick now man one if I hear page up on the live, yes or no? Dirty woman, don't call my fucking name. Do not call my name. No one want to do shit to you. Do not call my fucking name. Okay, wait, Candy. Okay, wait, Candy. I'm going to find back the boy in Jamaica. Wait. May I make the boy put it out? Wait, Candy. Candy, record this, no, Candy. Woman is a blood clot liar. But tell her to stop make up navigation and stop tell lie by your name. So I want to repeat it. I want you to repeat what she did. So she can leave you the fuck alone. And stop calling name. You said this monkey woman on Saturday. Can you remember when tell the man say for go up on her live and I fuck about with her? She actually called the man and I tell the man say I want to do shit to her. I want to do that to her. So this is the man was calling from that time. Up call with. She go into the man inbox and I tell the man say me want to do that to her and I'm doing this to her. I send money to the man. So the man is trying to declare himself. So the woman need to come out her fucking phone and the man don't want to have nothing to do with her because she's a problem child. So Candy want to Huh?
No, but well, I know. That's what I tell you, I say, yo, lady, you can't bring down the things, so you're going to make people look like, say, yo, me a serial killer.
Yeah.
I'm a fucking hard-working guy in richest football club in England.
Yeah.
So I don't know why this lady I feel like I have to do something wrong all the time way to earn money.
Yeah. Come and be quiet. So tell Candy, tell 1 minute. I just want to say 1 minute. Tell Candy what she did. She come in your inbox. I'm just not going to talk. I'm going to mute myself. Tell Candy so she come in your inbox and tell lies. So I'm just going to mute myself.
No, but she come in my inbox and I say, yo, Rete, you give me money to kill her. She and you fall out because you see some money.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know none of uno. The lady just talk to me and say, you're going over upon his life. And me go over there.
Yeah.
Not even go like that. More mean I comment after that.
So all she got your page then, bro. All she got your page. That clot, them suck with gal, yeah.
I want to say I'm going to screenshot somebody screenshot it and send her name.
Yeah, and
right now, I'm not even in England right now, but they are Jamaica burying my grandmother.
Yeah.
Right now. So right now, you come with that some things I don't even know about. And really and truly, I don't want to get involved in a argument with any girl because I don't know what's going between you, and I don't know none of you from Adam and Eve.
Okay.
She had to, well, I know she had to tell me, say, me and you there and this. I'm going to tell lady, I don't even know none of you. I swear, I don't know none of you.
Also, she call the phone and I demand to you. But tell her, say, you're my man and I'm here set her up. So she want to say, do the blood clot good thing. You run her off for the blood clot phone. She wanted to stick you up on it. She wanted to stick you up and she'll record you. If you say, oh yeah, me and you there. And she use that. And I'm telling you, me eat the woman. If I could have put a knife in my blood clot belly right now, me eat the woman. You see me repeat my blood clot self? That mean me eat the woman.
Why? I don't know where lady and the father.
Yes, sir, she not try blood clot set up here. You know what she not try do? Listen, you know what she not try do? She was trying to set you up to tell police at England, say, my man call her and check her. That's what she was trying to blood clot do. But you're clever than blood clot her. Oh, she get... No, she try... Huh? Say never hear about the dirty woman in England. Never hear her live in Birmingham. She's a dirty bungle. She's the biggest bungle in a blood clot England. Dirty bungle. She was trying to set you up. She was trying to record you to show it to the police and me a check noir. That's what she's trying to do. That's what she was trying to do. See, you give her the right blood clotting, you run her for your blood clot inbox, but you call her, but I send money to you. I send money to who? Anyway, babe. Anyway, she said me send money to you. She and the police have to prove the money to show to the judge, innit? We know the Jamaica, we know the ESA, me said evidence of a blood clot there, with my name, the date and the blood clot time, innit? For sure to the judge. This dirty woman, she was trying to record you. That's what she was trying to do. This big... Me put this on her head?
You directly try to set up you directly him.
She trying to set up her mother. She trying to set up her mother. What me gonna do tomorrow morning? Me gonna take it to the blood clot. Me gonna take it to the blood clot government. That's what I'm going to do tomorrow. Me I gonna take it to the blood clot government. And me want the government to take my blood clot phone.
One time for all, man.
Yeah. Me I got contact the government and make the government sort this blood clot house. Me I show this woman who clever who.
Now come over next week, you know, say if anything you know me come a courthouse, you know.
Yeah, I want to come a courthouse too. For definition of blood clot character. Yeah, she walk and tell everybody I said she do her ex-man sister. I said she do her ex-man she fuck the boy and she disrespect the boy mother. It's not the point if she disrespect the sister, but she got to the limit and I cussed the boy mother, you know. And she said she love you know. She said she love him, you know. And if it wasn't for the mother, she would have the boy and the woman that grew up with no love because her father fuck her in her blood clot stinking all and fuck out her fucking senses. That's why. Tomorrow morning I am going to report her to the police for definition of blood clot character. And when the police come, when the blood clot police come tomorrow, I am going to phone you so you can talk to the police.
No, but me have a text that me can.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, that's why when the police come, when the police come now, we can show the blood clot text her. She going on your inbox.
And then I feel that the man we take everything.
Yeah, don't delete it. So when the police come, we're gonna show the tougher brain head. We're gonna show the nugget head woman. Do not call my name. I don't know you, nugget head woman. I don't know you. No, nugget head woman. I don't know you. So when the police come tomorrow, we want to know what's going on. Nugget head woman. Don't call my name. I'm so glad you run her off of the phone. She wanted to record you. Say, I make people call her phone to threaten her from Jamaica, to report it to the police. Because I'm always a call blood clot police pan her. So she's trying her fucking own way. That's what she's doing. Last time she got on her live, talking about my house is this and that and that, I'm going to contact the blood clot police pan her. So she's trying her way back now to use her head. So you do the right thing, you run her out to your blood clot inbox.
But no, you have to run off her car. Remember, she had come with some things I mean, know nothing about. Like, for real, right now. I don't know nothing when they say they're top. Remember, I don't know you guys. You know,
I
never been to you guys. You know,
okay.
I meet you guys on the Instagram. You know.
Okay. And
are you, she said?
So somebody send her the page. Remember say when I said to you, you know the page and she never there on live. She never there on live, yeah. So she know the blood clot page because our so good friend them when upon the live and I watch you want this up her blood clot, give her back, give them your.
I look like one of them.
That's what happened. Listen. Anything want me tell us, I say it go. But I tell lie, yeah. Anything want me say, I suck good friend them. The pan the page and listen to me, I bring her blood clot. Don't say her father fuck her in her hole and dig out her blood clot pussy. Yeah, we. My not stop blood clot so that yeah, this my good blood clot mother. I don't know my blood clot mother from nowhere. Dirty woman. Remember, I don't know you from nowhere. Dirty woman. Dirty woman, I don't know you. I don't know you. I shit up herself at Jamaica. Dirty woman, I don't know you. Sort out your life. Your life is sad. Sort out your life. Tomorrow when the police come, babe, me gonna call you and you can explain yourself to the police. We're an idiot. Yeah, baby? Me gonna call you back, baby. Thank you very much for coming on my inbox and give me a WhatsApp number. So when the police come tomorrow, I'll call you straight away. And you can explain yourself. Right. Yeah, baby? Yeah. Me hang up the phone, baby.
Alright.
Alright, baby. Hang up, baby.
Yeah, man, hang up, man.
Dirty woman, you can't set nobody up. Go set up the man with fucking a hole and run left you. Go suck your mother. I'm not come back on social media. Go suck your mother. You can't set up nobody. Dirty woman. Go set up your ag face mother. Go set up your ag face blood clot mother. Your mother ate you. Your sister them ate you. My blood clot, tall blood clot friend say your sister couldn't come in and no blood clot. My friend say your sister for watch that blood clot. You mad? Go suck your mother. You're not bad girl. Go suck your mother. Dirty woman. Where? Dirty woman. People want to do this and people want to do that. Everybody want to do this and everybody want to do that. You dirty blood clot, yo. You never know. Dirty woman go suck your mother. Suck your mother, your life sad. Your daughter fuck from she 15-year-old. When me first catch my belly, I was 17-year-old. That no bad. I was 18-year-old. That no blood clot bad, but your daughter fuck from she 15 blood clot year old to 14. When me catch my belly, I was 18-year-old. Dirty woman, you don't know nothing about me, dirty blood clot. Woman go suck out your mother, but people want to do this to you. People want to do this to you. Who want to do nothing to you? No one know you dirty woman. Don't make up your story. Dirty woman, we not argue with you because we not getting bus, you don't have no clothes, you're naked like glass backhoe. You don't have no blood clot clothes. You don't have no blood clot clothes, you're naked like glass backhoe. Go away, I don't know you. Leave my name out your mouth, I don't know you. Go and drink some bleach, wash off your heart, and see if you get some LOVE, because you really need it. Remember your mother, your father never gave none, you know. So that's why your life is miserable. Oh, that's why your life is miserable. You worry about blood clot me. You worry about me, you don't need to worry about me. Nobody know you, that must say. Nobody know you. Where? Becky, Pecky. Nobody know you, Becky, Pecky. You walk and beg east, west, north, pan, and blood clot. So you have to beg per internet for survive. Where I don't know blood clot got per internet to send out blood clot money. And like we have no for blood clot, do no blood clot money. Now idiot girl. The one of that idiot girl who send her money. The one of that idiot girl. Go away. Dirty woman. Go look where your mother piss up herself in her blood clot house. My friend say, your sister have a blood clot. Sit down and watch that. I couldn't do nothing about it. And that was say, that's where you get froggy. Go suck your mother, dirty woman. Dirty woman, go suck your mother, we ugly like you. Go suck your mother. Everybody want to do this and everybody want to do that. Dirty woman, go suck your mother. Go suck your mother. Everybody want to do this and everybody want to do that. Everybody want to do this and everybody want to do that. When the boy come back a blood clot Jamaica, I was running a joke with the boy. I really going to the boy inbox, yeah? And I tell the boy I be a lie, but people want to do this and people want to do that. People want to do this and people want to do that. Dirty woman, go look about your ugly mother will piss up herself. Your mother ugly in a blood clot. And if your sister feel froggy, tell her to jump in it. Dirty woman. Dirty woman, where your sister get beat up. Where the girl them beat up your blood clot sister. Your sister and nobody. Where? Dirty woman. My ear to your blood clot, but people want to do this to you. People want to do that to you. Tomorrow, me and you and a blood clot police and a blood clot boy. I don't know you from Adam. So true me no say, me have better sense than you do. Me have sense than you. You could set me up. You can't set me up. You never know, so the boy with a blood clot come back and tell me dirty woman. Dirty woman, when the boy call me, I not even know who me that talk to. Me I say, who is that? The boy tell me, say, you come in blood clot inbox and I make up your story. Go suck out your mother. My friend don't talk what she's, my friend, Stephanie don't say what she have to say. Stephanie said, your sister would have to sit on and blood clot. Tina said, where you mean? She off your blood clot, sit down and watch that. And that Stephanie said, it will be judgment. And your sister put the blood clot, beg it out. Go ahead, go clean your mother, piss up self. Your mother in her house and piss up your blood clot sitting room. Where no girl don't even have one sitting room can chat to me. Where you're homeless, no blood clot, dirty woman. You're homeless. Where sleeping in your blood clot sitting room. The landlord soon throw you out. He not throw you out yet. The landlord not throw you out yet. The landlord tired of you, dirty woman. Tell the people them say you're pitney, your man, you're too pitney, you're hubby. And everybody gone left you. The whole of them in a problem. You have toilet papers, dirty woman. Dirty woman. You're homeless, no blood clot. Dirty woman. You're dirty boy. You call people, boy. You tell people, boy, people want to do this. I send money to Jamaica for do that to you. Coupon you, dirty woman. Dirty woman. Dirty woman. Me and you and the blood clot police will start this out tomorrow morning. Dirty woman. Boy, you try to record the boy. You try to record the boy, dirty woman. Dirty woman, you try to record the boy. Dirty woman, you try to set up the boy. Dirty woman. I know after the boy that called me. I'm here divert the call. Me I say, why this you to call my fucking phone? Yeah? Why this you calling my fucking phone? Dirty woman. Dirty bongo. Eh? Dirty woman. We make your mother piss up her blood clot self. Dirty woman. Dirty woman. I don't like your blood clot. I don't like you. I hate you. Dirty woman. I don't like you. I hate you. Dirty woman. Yeah, this my good blood clot, mother. I had this my blood clot pitting them like you think it's blood clot funny. And I had up on social media about handicap. Handicap and a big stinking mother will eat your blood clot. In the area blood clot sister tell Stephanie say you blood clot big friend. You're not no blood clot friend. Dirty woman. You saw Stephanie come out of prison and bust it up yesterday and you're like SSP, dirty woman. Dirty woman. Go ahead. Everybody wants your madman. And you can't find your madman. Go ahead. Dirty woman. That's how the man run left your blood clot cause you have a problem. My man tell me for run left you, my ex-man tell me for run left you. Ex-man tell me for stop talk to you, my man tell me for stop talk to you cause you have a problem. Dirty woman. Dirty stinking woman, I like you. Go suck your mother. That me say. I'm going to tell you again, go suck out your mother and nobody can beat me for you. Nobody can do me nothing for you, dirty woman. A problem. Dirty woman. But talk about your blood clot go court on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and blood clot Christmas, and blood clot bank holiday, and blood clot Valentine's Day. Eh? You not go court yet. We're going to show you who go court. But stop calling up my blood clot name because I don't know you. Argue with you, I don't know you. I don't tell you already. Your life is sad. 50-year-old and your life sad. You're 50 next week, the 7th of next month. The 7th next week, and you're 50-year-old and your life sad. Your life sad, for the butt of a brain. You don't have no life, your life sadless. That's why you put your blood clot frustration upon people. My life not sad like you. Chase somebody do this every day and argue with you per internet. Your life sad no blood clot. You're hungry in a blood clot. You're the hungriest girl in a blood clot England. You're your blood clot AIDS victim, blood clot friend. We live a blood clot Birmingham. Why look at hyper for blood clot people? Go away, dirty woman. But you come on social media about people have AIDS. And your big pussy mother have the AIDS and a stinking pussy. But I argue with you. And don't call my blood clot name sucker bolo. Go suck your blood clot. Go suck your blood clot pitney them old. We're in a prison. Dirty woman go suck her old. Every girl a suck good and you not suck good. Try it. Go suck her old man. Dirty woman. Go and suck a blood clot, oh dirty woman. Don't call me name, dirty woman. Nobody want, I don't know you from Adam, dirty woman. Go suck a old.
Sometimes I see some people and you wonder, oh, they might go walk. When they in some accident, oh my God, it's very sad.
Yes, very sad destiny. Your life is just too short, baby. You know? It's sad. You're there tomorrow, you're gone. You see me?
I tell him, add back Fretdem. I can't see me there, Jamaica.
I add back Fretdem. I look for you. She me look for.
Yes, I fight for all my life, my love. I get too much from my friend and see no one go up to me. Hey, Father God, you cover my body, yeah, man. Cover my don't make no body, yeah. God, you can't see me fight for my life. And somebody will go up to me. Hey, God, bring me through and bring me out back. Bring me in and bring me out. You mad?
Destiny, you know, so Fretdem gone out bed. She need it over here, girl. Fretdem gone.
Yeah.
Fretdem cut gone. She cut left you. She not over here. She's gone bed.
You can't do.
How about you probably dead?
Okay, wicked day at 2:30 now.
Why you tell me to 2:30? Have you spoke to what's back here?
Yeah, both sorry.
Sorry. Have you spoke to Trudy?
Oh yeah, me talked to her 2 days ago.
Oh, tell her hello from the baby. Yeah? You know that baby is my cousin.
And that she tell me never know, you know.
Okay, baby.
Oh, see, I say, wow, me never know say someone your cousin.
Yeah, that's my cousin.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Yes, sorry, a phone call me get it cut off.
So once me over here, me cause the Trudy over here at me wig. Ukku. Somebody in England go call me name.
And tell her?
That Trudy where they are London, a Trudy where they are burning me at talk.
Oh my God.
So
They're
the
mixed up.
Trudy tell us, my friend and Trudy over here.
One at the time when I see her rubbing you see the man where you post the picture, another picture, they go call you and say, that's your body, why you show my family? For me just leave you rub with a put the fake face. Remember when I show the picture with the woman? When I show the picture with the woman with bra, me I say bumbo clat Destiny, please hide him face, please. Mama just make a dear thing and a rub. I says, fucking hell. Judy know him too, so Judy can tell him. I say, fucking hell, Destiny, I show my family. So you know the man in the blue.
You should have never said nothing to Ukku, you know, now them are going to try run and hunt that the video they see who you are talk about.
Just remember you may talk about dates.
They can't see it.
You know me, I say, if the
his face
Destiny have
didn't
the
show
light, then
still.
probably I go hunt and look for it.
The light.
They on me live.
Huh?
They say, every put me next Instagram page gone.
Yeah, I see it. Somebody tell me. I see it.
They gone, I bat him and I report it.
That page was loud still in a Destiny.
Don't worry, Destiny, you soon come live again. It's people always find you. Trust me. Look what you know what page they report for me. I don't let this motherfucker think this page gonna bother me.
I'm glad they take away my love because I know I'm a man left and a pure cuss.
You know, happy to see them take it to a man, sure.
You have to say them take away because I can't take a problem with me and my man.
They soon get a new page.
Destiny said the man kicking him out in a year. Destiny, you know what? If I don't know your Destiny, so the man kicking him out. So she have to go.
The man kicking him out?
What do you the man? What do you the man take on my phone? I could come on live when they are about Blandy. I'm the one go for the phone.
Who did I rub Blandy?
Demos.
Demos never rub Blandy or me miss that.
And the man take on the phone for me, say me can't come on live.
But the 2 phone you have?
But him take with them. 2 phone him take with them.
Yeah, my Bella. Yeah, made for throw, man. I take all your things.
I put him now. My cause I go. So we're up for him.
Eh?
The boy I take with the phone, you know.
You're not supposed to have, you have 2 phones.
Yes, but him the side of me on the bed. And him take them.
As long as you open the door, you're supposed to start hide one of the phone. I understand that.
Ask me feet for them, you know, say 2 phone me have.
So say you not give it up?
So
I mean, I can't ask you anything. Listen, the phone not working.
The man now go grab the phone out of me and be on live.
At your place, you put him out.
Me now put him out because my man, but I put out the phone, but I don't come live.
Alright. So
you
go like say you love life so much.
The man.
Me love the man. Me love him. Not even a man. A young boy.
Don't put him on the media, girl.
Oh.
I should not tell you that because you have sense.
In the Instagram, but nobody knows him.
That's how you're supposed to
do. Well, keep it just like that.
But nobody knows him. Nobody never sees his face. He come in my life always and nobody never sees his face. Me alone know him. I never go on live and turn on, so.
Keep it like that. Nobody don't need to know who him is.
Yep, he loves song and we kiss and we fuck. Then the blood shot things. Boy, can't fuck.
But this we don't care what you do.
Boy, I want to go to Ireland.
So go on now.
Me have my passport.
Oh yeah, I forgot yesterday my open. But your social worker, she need to hurry up too.
It has started to come and get me insurance in my name Penny Destiny Child Thomas. Insurance card.
Oh, so maybe you probably just slow but it'll come.
The paper to sign the paper. To make them change the name from my mailbox. Destiny Child Thomas.
So you have to make sure they change the name for your mailbox too?
But for them, if they shocking Thomas upon the mailbox, I'm not change the name for my mailbox. What if I order one package? Them not go find.
Then they just put up. I don't know if your place set up. In America, no matter if you change your name, if the package come and it say that at the right address, they might leave it at the right address.
No. They're not going to do that because in Switzerland, they can get in serious trouble if them do it.
Oh, wow. That's why I asked you over there still. Wow.
If them put it out there and them don't see the name and them do sit and they see one Thomas pan the box and them see one Thomas out, or let's see one Thomas pan a package, right? Come last name a Thomas and they see one Thomas out there. If them left that out, they're in a serious trouble.
Really?
So they're gonna send it back to the
wow.
mail. They're gonna
Oh,
send it
wow.
back, and when them send it back, them gonna send a letter. And if they put them a send a little piece of paper in and they put in them are put in the back. So the one Thomas there, and you're gonna go at the post and you're gonna see if it's your document and pick it up.
Oh, wow.
That's what they do
Over
because
here, they don't care what the name say, long as if the address say 241 Maple Street. They don't care if it belong to you or nobody else. They might drop it right there. So they don't care who live there.
All the time, you know, so one time I go on vacation and I come back and I see my package. But I order some whole heap of things online. Whole heap of some lashes and some we made us sell lashes and here and so. And it out there for 1 week and nobody touch it right out the door. Nobody touch it. Not inside here, I know. Right out the side there. 1 week.
And I have to over here that gone. Depends on the
them,
neighborhood though.
they can't touch it 1 week. If they ever touch that fingerprint, they might test the fingerprint, my love. And they might get in serious trouble.
We take up the package and gone. Take up the whole package and gone. What you talking about?
They still gonna test the fingerprint and know who touched that box. I'm telling you.
With it,
And next thing again, they have a camera. They have camera, my love. So they're gonna know. May I tell you? That's why they're not trouble.
Yeah, just like today, me have camera from my house, Destiny. I'm a order, you know, like one of them little bench truck there where the baby then can drive for my granddaughter. The people them say my thing deliver. One time me I look on the camera, I know me not see the man come in front of my house. Me just call and say, listen, everybody on the block have camera, so therefore you need to come watch the camera and see where my package gone. My car for $300. They better me never care long as me know me not get it. Give me blood clean things.
Them find everything, my love. Me buy one China, 1 week from China. No, 1 week from China, my love. Take out the wig out of the bag, put it in a wrong rubbish bin. When me look, my love, they send one bill come, or me if you pay $350. Me wonder, oh, you find me, say me. They test my fingerprint, come me tear off my name off there. Find, we saw you throw China bag in a wrong bin. You have to pay $350. When they come home, if you sign paper, me say me not pay none, cause I'm gonna kill myself, me love, me not pay no $350, I'm a refugee. When me look at police come, me say, listen to me. Me I go pan the highest building and kill myself. And when me look, me see paper never come back. Yeah. Them find it. Latina walk already. Show one paper and one bin. Them charge her $80. She look here $80, then charge her. She have to pay it. Them terrible.
So I saw them waste money over there and time to track people. Me can't.
No. They might try to tell us to Fretdem, they know why you dirty up them country. And that.
America don't have time for that unless a crime them a look for you. Drop a piece of paper.
No. In a Switzerland, that is why Switzerland have to clean so they don't run certain joke. You see garbage bin, one food bin different. One paper bin different. One buckle different. You see, feed them garbage
paper
bag
and plastic.
You see, feed them garbage bag, you can't show no black garbage bag in a feed them bin. If garbage, let me show you the garbage bag after Mark Zurich. And when you Mark Zurich, they're going to charge you. And a $24 I pay for 10 bag, $24. See it here.
What you say?
Yeah. Remember, say they don't pay under 25, you know. So then some of the expenses. See there? It have a Mark Zurich. This 10 for 25, 24.
Yes, sir.
So when me come here, when me just come here, me never understand. So when me that move and come here, me go throw some black bag out there. So me say, Fretdem, never know say no black bag no go out there. Fretdem, they take up every garbage and left a black bag. And me say, Fretdem, you have to go back out there for the black bag, me love and buy the white bag, them and throw the garbage them in there. They need to move it. I said them stay my love. Yeah. Their country expensive, but them pay more. Them not pay under 25.
They want to swear in the bag. No, sir. Garbage. No, sir. That's too much away.
Well, Me like them rule. Because if that is how in country clean. If you don't do it all in country, that's like most country in Europe. I know most country in Europe do it. Norway and them places, Ireland, them do it too. It's not Switzerland alone. Denmark, they do it. Finland. I don't know about Spain and Paris, because Spain and Paris dirty. I'm going to Spain already, I'm a regret. I will never go back there. I will see Spain and pass it. I don't know some place in Spain, but like normal country in Europe, like in country, they do it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Me know it's a lot of things like me see UK do, Canada do, America not have no time for that. America say, yo, we not have no time for do it. Police catch you and the police then feel like you have ticket here, but you not have no time for that.
The only thing,
Outside like your home owner, you see like a home owner no destiny, they will go through the garbage.
police
They will
now,
go through the garbage, yeah?
no, they don't work with gun. You ever see somebody are dead over here, so? Unless them are sick and them.
Police, Switzerland police don't work with gun.
No.
Oh, jeez, I wouldn't work with button.
They can't work with gun. You want the government ban them?
So that means nobody, so damn, so who would have a gun like in a Switzerland now?
Nobody not allowed to have no gun. Not even like,
So Destiny, if them all catch you with gun, a big charge that.
I prison your gun. Kind of supposed to have none. Unless the gun which only gun you can have, I must be the one which them use. They call it one day.
BB gun?
All the time Switzerland police have, they don't work with gun. All the time they have gun, unless if them go war. And I know yeah, they go war. You know, like other places. And soldier. One way you go learn to shoot, man.
Stam, a button. We know in America they say baton, but in Jamaica I say a button. Beat them with the button, yeah? Fuck. I know it's baton, but we gotta say button.
Only thing they have over there, they have pepper spray self-defense. And when they buy pepper spray, they have to sign one paper.
Yeah, but that's what Stammer says. So Destiny, say for somebody, you know, like how in America you got them psycho people here, right? I want to go do a mass shooting or something. So, but you have the police them in a Switzerland will deal with that in case somebody want to shoot.
What?
Huh?
What can I shoot the attack? Like if they're going to murder somebody?
No, say for instance, no, right? You all here say somebody want to shoot up or like say a party school or just want to shoot up outside.
One do what?
I just want to shoot up outside. Stop, you can't say him said on the police so I work with the government. So that's remember police have gun, every police can have gun, police have gun, civilians have gun, everybody have gun. That's why it's so shooting too many. You know, say in the 2000 Virginia, and because a gun state niggas is popping. Yeah. Yes, a Destiny? Eh?
Me that you ready to break up. Oh, yeah, you
no,
ready to break up.
Oh, sorry. No, me that say, like Stam was asking you, say if something big going over in your country now, and them need police to come with gun, you have them kind of police there, but them don't.
You ever see, but you know, me don't know how you not see war going here, so.
You don't know when somebody ever got
Somebody across already and the police them a tear down the road a come. And a two friend just a argue. Them not no war now go on for true.
and the way
Somebody
them are
say
coming
somebody
make it
get
seem like
stabbed.
the people are
Yeah. No, because them a try to tell us say war no go on in them country. So them a drive a tear down the place, but at cost them a cost. The people them a cost no war now go on. Them not them a you know.
wow.
Then just sit down and eat and drink the money.
Wow. So I like so Destiny. That mean it easy if you be a police over there. Then all right. So Destiny, like the most thing where them lock up people for in your country, or what, like what
Then are
disorderly conduct.
for drugs. Drugs are the most thing. Drugs are the most thing.
Oh.
If okay, say if you owe $50,000 bill, for instance, if you owe $50,000 bill, I'm gonna show you because I know that. And I know people because me listen, me gay father come from Switzerland and he work with immigration.
Talk and then you answer Stam question. Don't worry, me go remind you Stam question.
Not in Switzerland, baby. You can Google that right now. You can Google that. Not in Switzerland, sweetie. You, in a Swiss, if you owe $50,000 bill, Fretdem, police will lock up you for 6 days or 5 days and let you go and pay that 50 and then pay the 50 and the government pay the 50,000 bill.
Oh, just 5 or 6 days long as you're telling you not have it.
Yeah. What if you not have it, them lock up you? If you not pay them lock up you for 6 or 4 days.
All
And
right, so Destiny, this is our time with the ask, right? Say for instance, right? So
yeah,
somebody use a knife right now, I'll stab up in family member in the house. No police with gun now come.
the police will go now come. They can't come with gun. Them have to come, but them not go come with no gun. Them are go get that trouble.
So what if this man is dangerous and we all stab up
The
the
only
police
person
too?
the only person who have gun in a Switzerland is soldier. I don't know gun. I don't know police, soldier. But they cannot shoot it. Like they can't shoot it.
So Destiny, you go tell me, say, if you have like a big family in the house and the family then just
No,
end up
it's
catch up and stab each other,
no.
the police now
Hold-
come.
I need to get it right. Listen what I said. In Switzerland, police don't walk with gun. But if they're going to war, they have to walk with it. That's what I said. Remember, that's what I said before.
We know, we hear what you say, but what me I try to say
Police
is,
they have if some police are go for somebody with they yes have gun, they go for go, they go have to carry gun cause they unless they go a war, unless they go some go happen for them. But if you walk on the street like you're walk in America and walk at Jamaica, you're not gonna stay with gun. So me mean, if you
oh,
understand say,
yeah, me understand what you mean. No, me not like that the country, they have to have gun.
okay, we're walking into the city now and the police they are walking with
Oh.
the gun. But if they are going to a war or going to somewhere, you might see them with the gun. You're gonna stay with it, you know. You're gonna stay with it, but like if you go.
Oh, okay.
If on a crime, they will bring it for them. But if they are walking in the city like that normal, they cannot bring it.
No,
Unless
in America, we are the police, them are walk with gun any time of the day. You're crazy, can't trust them people, yeah.
you can, you know, I don't know, probably a true minute. I never see people fret them, me love excitement, you know. Sometimes me never see why over here say it. We don't know why.
Mass in a war.
But the
Them
only thing,
American police evil.
yes, if I kill somebody, we lock up you, but me no hear them, nobody a kill nobody in Switzerland, but drugs, they lock up you for drugs.
So Destiny, then catch you with weed or much time then give you.
They know, do nothing.
Oh, weed is legal.
You know, legal, but them,
Them would rather bypass weed more than them. They lock you for like crack, cocaine, ecstasy, and them something. But
it's
weed, them probably a slap on the wrist.
no legal. If you have just like a Jamaica, if you have a olive, you can't, they will lock up you. But you have all 1, 2 Jan, 1, 3 Jan, 1, 4, or 1, 5, or 6, they can't lock up you. But you have a whole heap of pound, they will lock
Oh. I want to come to Amsterdam and smoke all the weed.
illegal in Amsterdam. But remember, so weed selling at the shop them over here. Yeah, man, weed selling at the shop them. So if the police going at the shop them see the weed hang up a sell.
I like Destiny. So I'm going to come over your place.
Yeah, the weed them hang up a sell in the shop them.
I want to come to your place so I could just buy weed like that.
Mm-hmm. But if you have a whole heap, then we probably lock up you. But it hang up a sell. Illegal Amsterdam too. Mm-hmm. It hang up a sell. But that's a holy. But there was some people like in Jamaican weed. Mm-hmm. Like you see them, I got a river.
Mm-hmm.
You see me that swim, I see in a lake.
Yeah, you fish, we know you like swim.
I got the river. And at the bush, you know, me I walking at the bush. I river the down to the bush. And later run to the next side.
Yeah.
I'm say, woman have to take up that dark shit and woman have to take up that blood clot. Yeah, nobody in that bush, you know.
Why? Because somebody would have report her?
No, them a go run a scan pan the dodo. I say, oh, you know, she not do
I
it.
see how for dog dodo.
Yeah.
So only am I gonna know? Oh, and then am I gonna see how she living in the neighborhood? Say that's a yo. Me not be can't live
No,
there. So
they're not gonna say she live in the neighborhood. Remember say the dog, every dog in that Switzerland, them have to sign up for and them some of them know.
So what
So
if
they go,
if I say for instance you have two chihuahua and chihuahua make the same shit, so them I go test the shit to see if I was chihuahua or a pit
yeah,
bull
but for
shit.
them, remember say when you have your own dog, you have to sign up. So you have to have, remember say your dog have to have papers, you know. So them are gonna know say have your dog, you know. Remember that, you know.
Me,
Every
yeah.
dog have papers.
Yo, me not like me live in Switzerland, me live in Canada, me live in you know, they would have
They're
put
not
me
gonna
on
put you
already.
out more and
I'm
pack up
telling
your
you.
pure bill.
I guess America alone asleep. The bunch of shit we go on with ya. Destiny, me I walk down
You
the
can
street with
Google
my
it.
dog.
I'm telling you. You can.
Damn. And everybody that's so me I
Google
walk
it
down the
now while
street
you
with my
see.
dog. Me have the dog leash, you know, and me just have the dog bag them.
Hey,
Justin
let me
just
tell you
have the
something with
dog. Me
Switzerland
not
bad
pick up
Fretdem.
no dog shit.
Let me tell you
Alright.
something. I'm gonna waste
That
Switzerland
warm
bad.
shit that through the
Let me
plastic.
tell you something,
Hey.
Fretdem. Hold on, let me tell you something. The way Switzerland is bad and people don't understand. This one blood clot furniture, some out there so stand up. I mean, if I walk past, you know, I never know say one blood clot camera. And when I look up, I say bumble clot. When I go over there, I say I go look. I mean, look, I see one camera, I say, Jesus Christ, that wicked. I
No,
say,
me
see, look,
not
at
like.
one blood clot dresser. I mean, never know, see one camera, me cry.
No, Destiny. That's why I tell you, say we can't live in Switzerland. Destiny, when me go walk my dog, you supposed to pick up the dog shit, but if police see police not no time I write dog shit ticket. Me not pick up the dog shit, me just walk with the bag just in case, you know, drive act like say you do the right thing. Me not pick up no one dog shit I
Me I
feed through
pick
the
up in my love.
plastic.
That is all the country dirty and cranny when you left with that shit there. So me I take it up.
Don't worry, dog shit to grow the plant.
Me I take it up. You can't lick any. No, I mean I want to see no country dirty. Me like eat parrot, me love. I mean I want to when me I eat, me love. Me cannot eat on a shit. No.
Shit.
Can't do it.
That's too much. Switzerland strict bad. I wonder why too much Jamaican over there, because they know that they are rolling a blood clot.
Oh, appears with then they are. Me I look at you. I
Them
send
there, but
Switzerland
they
send
know they
back
have to
some.
keep their ass quiet.
I send Switzerland send back some of them home. What are they going back home?
Why?
They don't come up when country can do us that scam
So
and
Destiny,
drug.
all right. If you go to the store now and y'all see y'all like a drink, so your teeth it. How that go?
They not lock up you.
Or them a go say you're hungry.
No, they not say hungry. Then we call police for you, but they not lock up you.
Or them just call the police to make you leave.
Mm-hmm.
You go in a corner to go thief a drinks in here. But if your man catch you, he probably give you 2 lick, but call
You can't
police.
lick you. You
Them no
mad?
say they're not supposed to lick you because you can't fight them back and still win.
Oh, if that
You know,
no all if you not fight it, then you can't even touch them back. If they ever lick you, a prison gone. They can't
hurt
touch them
people,
love.
hurt people, hurt people, hurt people. Me not take up no dog shit. Every time I carry my dog out the door, me look left, me look right, me not see nobody, me a
Well,
walk.
in a
What you
you
talk about, girl?
some country in Europe here, you have to take it up like Switzerland, Netherlands, Belgium. I don't know about England. Cause them say some part of England dirty, me love. Where the place name Norway, you have to take up it blood clot.
The point, hell, is because me can't have a dog, that's why.
You have to take it up. Cause any or you not take it up, judgment for you, you get a nice bill.
My dog eat better than enough of them girls with the on the life. Me not ask Christ, especially Ruth and Max don't eat dog food, people. They eat
I
chicken,
told you that put it like
hot
your
dog.
pay.
Me not do it. Not do it. Tell me dog.
Drive pan them bus. You know you drive pan them bus, so you don't pay the ticket and then catch you. You're gonna pay 100 today, and if you don't pay the 100 today, it's gonna go up to 200 tomorrow, and it's gonna go up to 300, to go up to 400. If I 1 week 700.
Over here, them catch, all right. Over here lately, sometimes them have the people them on the bus, like the sicky people them on the bus, and then they me tell you about, oh, let me get your ID. All you gotta be like, yo, I ain't got no fucking ID. And you can't give them your name, address, and them are gonna make you come to court.
What the fuck? What the hell? We don't go to court.
Yeah, for the ticket, you know, you can, I don't really court, you know, them have them own little place, and you
Oh,
can't tell them
me
why.
never pay one ticket to go in a city yet.
Listen to me. When me I go on the train and bus, all right, I'm not gonna lie. You see, Brooklyn, Bronx, and Queens, they stress you when you're going on the bus. In Staten Island, when you're going on the bus, bro, the bus driver don't give a damn. You could walk through the front, he's not gonna say nothing to you. Even by law, he's
Yeah,
not
but over
supposed to
here no
say nothing
space,
to you.
so.
But in a Brooklyn, them, the bus driver, them want to act like a feeding bus. You remember one time, yo, I saw one of my friends stab a bus driver and kill a bus driver years ago in a Brooklyn, on the 46. Because the dirty bus driver want him that try to use the transfer expire. And the dirty Asian man that go like a fiend bus and make the boy stab him. And then that Jamaican too, you know, my friend there in America so long, I never know what happened to him after that.
Well, but too bad don't pay for no blood clot ticket.
In Staten Island, they don't stress you for the bus destiny.
They
You
have
go
to
in
pay
at the
that.
back, you go about
Well,
your
in a
business.
Switzerland here, let me tell you, me buy my monthly ticket, you know. I buy my monthly ticket, you know, every month, you know. Because every month you can pay 65 for a monthly ticket to use in Zurich. And every month, say you can't check it like, oh, you can't check it in America, how much the penny, or Ireland, how much the penny. And when you go pan the bus, you don't have nobody with search you, and you go pan the bus, go sit down, you don't have nowhere to put the card in, and nowhere to put the money or anything. You go pan the bus, well, sometimes they will come and say, let me see your ticket, or sometimes not. You not see them. And only at the long train, you will see them mostly. But you not see them pan the bus or the tram. That's how them do it. We don't do nothing where we put nothing in and then we pay $4 and then we pay this or we pay that. No, we just buy one ticket and go there.
Over there too strict for me. I like your country.
Then you have
don't
to
like
blood
it.
class trick, so I saw it have to stay. Because if you don't stay, so it about it for Switzerland not stay, Switzerland stay like some country, it all dirty, it all crying, it all look away. Yeah, white people are white at Switzerland make them. Let me tell you something for them. In a Switzerland here, you can't say you're hungry, you know. Because if me call my social worker know what me say, me depressed, me I'll get all 2,000 on one package. Now look at you. Yeah. Because them take you right yesterday. Yesterday they no pay on 25. We used to go up on one site and me type 30 and 35 and the people so book me if you come clean their house. But go clean already and go dead one man. I'm going to say my dog shit he was but she put him out. Over here, Christopher, I'm going to call him.
She different, you know. She go there for that. She go there for that.
How did you get rude from what
Girl,
I
we not
said?
pick up no dog shit. We not pick up no dog shit. If you have a dog and you want to pick up the dog shit, so be it.
May I pick up a
Fretdem is
dog
not
shit
doing
too?
it.
I don't Fretdem.
I'm not picking up no dog shit.
That's why America dirty, so I will no black people no do not pick up a dog shit, no dirty up
Hey,
and
say
literate.
what you
No
want.
could come here and dirty up your blood clot, cause Switzerland that
Destiny, we
hey.
come to Switzerland, me come out piss by your blood clot.
Oh, piss away. You can't blood clot come and some piss so.
I watch you.
America could blood clot see but when Switzerland done with you.
I come
Oh.
and piss on the road and say my mother and tell you say me go jump off of the building.
Oh, then care. You have see what's trouble in now. They not put our mother house.
So then I put me a mother house, America no come for me.
America will come
come
to you.
talk about?
America won ya. Switzerland won their country.
Me not give a fuck.
The Queen of NATO.
American citizen, you can't do me nothing. You feel like?
Oh, at Switzerland won. You think we not? You think we not a NATO country?
Don't worry, you can't do me nothing. America will
And
come
Germany,
come back.
America can't tell Germany and Poland and Ireland anything, but then can't tell Switzerland. You hear me? I tell you.
Hello, you can't hold on for the American citizens. America always fight for them citizens. You're righty.
Switzerland, me tell you something. Switzerland look a bit, but they powerful. Oh. Powerful. So what they have Switzerland blood clot. Take Russia money out here, and they over there then could get no money in a machine. Them a ball. Switzerland one powerful country.
The whole America do
You say
the
Jamaica
same.
look
They
good
not
and
the
tell you
money
what?
over here.
Eh?
Them not the money. Them not the money. Every money over here sees for them. Them have money. Every country have money now everywhere. They not. Them money over here sees too.
Every country have money now. Every country money in Switzerland.
Every country have money everywhere.
Yeah, but
America,
no. For
Switzerland, you
facts,
know.
every country save their money in Switzerland. Is the truth? I'm telling you. I'm not lying. Every country in this world save their money in Switzerland. Because they said Switzerland is the best place to save their money. True. I don't lie, me I tell. I watch a documentary.
Yeah, they have money all over.
Yeah,
These
every
people know.
country goal, everybody goal and everything save in Switzerland. Because Switzerland is safe to save. Them that Switzerland are the best country to save their money and it's safe and it's
Switzerland
tax
have
and
no problem
everything.
with nobody when nobody a go bomb nothing. Switzerland have no problem with nobody. Nobody now think to bomb them.
No, sir.
Like when the World Trade Center, they used to keep the gold in the basement. That's where the gold keep America.
You know, you can't buy me some love.
Who that near Franzi Batty asked if IG still left on your phone.
I don't
I
know
want
that
my
person.
friend phones about to leave Ukku alone.
I
I
don't
don't
know
want to
that.
take upon Ukku.
I don't know
So
that
if them
person.
have
We
IG
know the
on their
person,
phone,
but
we make
leave Ukku
Ukku
alone. Leave Ukku. Leave Ukku alone. We know
I
the
ignore
person.
them. I ignore her.
I beg you, leave Ukku.
Hey, that's Madia when
I
they
don't sleep at night. I only
legend
sleep
and
at
king.
morning.
If you ever ask Destiny if them sleep, that mean you no sleep neither. You must know what kind of question for ask. Destiny, do you sleep from morning? You dep on life. So if you see Destiny on life, that mean you no sleep neither. Come on,
Nice. Good
people.
question.
Good question. You have to come with a good answer. That's why a lot of time me no say, Lord, from morning them dep on life. That means that from morning you dep on life I watch too.
Nice. She not sleep. Good question. Fretdem. Hey, Fretdem, you ask a good
Fretdem, I'm not
question.
angry no. Fretdem, I'm not angry no locus, so can't come in my face. Come me
Yeah,
spitting at the
but
face.
clearly,
Bronzy Batty, me tell us if you
all
leave
right, clearly
Ukku
again, you
alone.
ask it.
Sure.
Listen,
I'm a
clearly
little black
again,
blood
it's
clot.
different time zones. So that means a Destiny sleep and wake up, girl. Oh my
Innit?
God, this is why I'm so happy I'm not a fucking teacher because I would have whooped some of these kids' ass for some shit that they're gonna ask. Clearly, it's different time zones. So of course, you sleep and Destiny sleep. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. 3 Destiny, get up and look, man.
All when
Is
12
this
o'clock
a
me dey for me
question that you
life.
ask? Is this
All
the
when 12
different
o'clock
time
me dey
zone
for me
but you
life and
sleep?
at 4 o'clock America them not sleep.
Innit?
No, we're not saying nobody a class. You just attack at different time zone here for everybody sleep. Sometimes me all go work, me see this. Sometimes me get up in the man Destiny when all morning for you. Afternoon for Destiny already. Destiny don't get a push snap. When you live by yourself, you don't want to sleep.
Man,
You don't want to sleep, so. You live by yourself, you just sleep, so.
what's me not live with my man yet? Me live with my man, me sleep. I can fuck up my whole night.
Yeah, because Destiny wants you have somebody to hug you up, you're gone.
We hug me gone to bed, right?
If you have somebody you hug up, you're gone, but you know in the house now, you don't want to drop asleep, especially you drop asleep early. You know more or less you're going to get up back early, you know what I mean?
After you get up at night and drink juice or water.
Yeah.
You have
And
to.
then you get up, you don't want to get up early every minute. Me have to get up
Tell
on
you fret
that.
them. I tell you fret them. We no sleep now and by 6 o'clock by now me go on my bed and me get up at 10 o'clock in the night.
Yeah, we do. We got my bed enough time Destiny early. I'm still a get up the same time. Because I'm bed too early, me get up back early. You see what now hour? 10:05. Right?
I dirty thinking, man, when you're DJ, I want you come suck up my pussy back way. And you have no follow me drunk of my sell a blood clot story drunk or dead dog, no follow me go dead. Shit mouth to
Who
come.
DJ Bali?
Yes, one time the drunk will come from my life, but me a batty man on for dead, but you're going dead before blood clot me. And your generation going dead before me phones them and no follow me a blood clot and me sell a blood clot story drunk or thinking
My
mouth.
batty man?
All the man a batty man a blood, we ma follow me for. Him a batty man, we ma follow me for. Him say me a batty man, we ma follow me for.
No, because you say if you dead, so me think say he must say if you
Him
dead.
fi
You
blood,
why you say
oh me a come from my life what year, now what time ya. Batty boy, you dead your mouth.
if you tell him say you're not swimming in water, so you're not go
You
drown.
know, come burn up me. Me proud of who me is. Me's a gay, and if you don't like it, buy you. What more would you say? You just say me that more woman than man.
Tell
I
him
tell
a
the police.
Latina push you.
Oh, me police come to say police answer Latina push.
You
Grip up
fucking
me phone. Me tell them say police say me tell them say me nah look pa Latin. Hey, me tell you something. Me tell you something. Latina know say me a bad blood clot, y'all. And me tell you on the live, yeah. What do you yeah? When me say Latina
No.
picture, all and Fretdem. Me tell you something. Me see what me say Latina phone video them. Me say Latina say anyway see me in Switzerland, I'm gonna lick me down. And me say Latina sit down in our blood clot near shop at our nails. And me say I'm the pan life say ask anybody pan the blood clot life. Yes, they know like me tell me swear pan me life as we turn up your so. Get all up the Bible. And me say blood clot Latina see me and know what me do yo. See him some blood clot said this a maga girl yeah. And Latina don't say nothing out time out. Latina mouth close and in the no girl no. I remember Latina promise me say me go be me got Latina yard already. Because beat out Latina and Kiki and Strawberry if you call police for me. So see people in the panel live there. Everybody knows. Tell us a call and of course in call police. Kiki and Strawberry say call police. Destiny call police. Call police. Latina call police. Come never know which part you live in. I say girl out of Langstress say me come out of Langstress say live. Come out of Langstress say no girl. And I call my friend and Christopher call Larry and say come out. And when me go out there. Come in a fight. Turn up and fight Latina. Oh, me take one wire and beat her blood clot and hang her with it. I can't find her fling pure big stone. Yeah, me get them gyal them over here afraid I'm like a Puss. Them afraid of me because they say me a devil.
You
I
are the
choose sometimes me
devil.
can't. As task where me come from, you know. I choose sometimes me can't bother with the war. Me can't bother with the war. Hey, me tell you something when me dangerous.
No
Somebody America
task when
afraid them.
people love to war too much.
Somebody afraid. Somebody America afraid them. And me come to Switzerland. Me a Latina no friend. And I say, I show Latina say, me, I want blood clot, dangerous girl. And she and her friend, when you Sean and all her friend today. I tell her what me do. A full blood clot black me wear. Me say, go and bury your dirty blood clot. Me and I the palace because I say, girl, me come here performance, come bury your blood clot. Same so me tell her. And girl, I wear black ear. I wear black, full black, me wear black bag. I wear full blood clot black suit. And I say, me go to the woman blood clot performance for bury her, you know. When you man a perform, you know, bury me a girl, bury me a girl. Same so me saying the yeah. And the next day, the woman come me, me come. Me never come for support her, me come for blood clot barrier. She don't come bring me down for internet. My response. I know me just a live good, because me drain
Latina
away. Me no
fool you and
response.
show you
You
like
know,
a feather in a wind.
she can't
Latina
touch me.
fool you and show you like feather in a wind. You see your maga
She
Latina can
can't
shut
touch
up.
me. My remember say my asylum in the pan. I mean, they get asylum, so they afraid of me.
Yeah.
I mean, they get asylum for true. Yeah, cause the also me I come from me a Latina with it. I mean, they have the proof, they never have the proof, and the people ask them for me. The immigration ask them about me, Shaquin Thomas.
She a beat you.
Only if you beat me, I have my
Same.
certificate. A prison, I kill you,
Like
man.
you beat you same fucking way.
Any batty man in Switzerland, they touch me to blood clot, they might get 60 years. The nasty road. Cause here and
Oh,
if you don't lock up them, I kill myself. Plain.
so yeah, that you use. Oh,
Yeah. You don't lock up them, I kill myself.
you have ticket.
Mm-hmm. A task when we come from, you know, we love fight, you know, and we don't walk, we don't back down. Now look at you. We are go. After we stay, my love. And if we ever lose the fight, we now back down.
Yeah, that's spend people life.
Once you ever
Fight,
lose it,
fight.
once you ever lose the fight, we love we now back down. We love we go fear Russia and we love us so we stay, my love task spend people. Task spend people, my love. Oh. You see, all one time Latina and Shana far. I'm a pan blood clot, Shana, we made you. Yeah, your friend big and stay, but hey, me know me troublemaker, you know. Hey, me a problem and troublemaker, you know. I'm the pan with me blood clot. Yeah, your friend big and stay, but no blood clot. Hey, me know me a troublemaker.